If you're a composer or music producer looking for a list of musical scales on the piano, or the circle of fifths, stick around. In this video, I'll show you a resource I made that can really help you out when it comes to using a scale in music. Hey everyone, Jake from Transverse Audio here. First of all, I'd like to say that the link to the information I'll be talking about in this video can be found in the description below. When writing music, you'll most likely use a major or minor scale, even if you weren't intending to. There are plenty of scales out there, but this resource focuses on heptatonic and pentatonic versions of the major and minor scales. These scales will show you the key from the scale, the notes involved, and a diagram of the notes on a piano. Among these lists, you can find natural scales on the left and sharp scales on the right. By using the button next to the key on the sharp scale, you can drop down the flat version of the scale for each reference instead. For more information, you can check out the section on the top of the page, just underneath the links to the other scale lists. Now, if you're interested in the circle of fifths, I took a unique approach to redesigning the circle. But don't worry, this contains the same information you may find on other scales, just the design is different. Below the diagram, you'll be able to find out more information about the circle of fifths and how to use it. If you're looking for any more information, be sure to check out the blog too. There you'll be able to find an array of different topics to read through, from tutorials to advice. I'm sure you'll find something interesting. As a bonus, if you check out Transverse Audio on Twitter, you'll be able to find free content there as well. As of right now, I post 3 tips every week, but of course, that can change. I hope you'll enjoy this free content and that it will help you with your music. Please, share this with someone you know that makes music too. If you liked it, I'm sure they'll appreciate it as well. As always, thanks for watching.